Hello everyone, this is a trial broadcast from Learn Armenian Online Project. I'm Gohar Martirosyan, the founder and the CEO of the project. I'm starting a series of live broadcasts from Yerevan. We are going to show you different places and spots in Armenia and in Yerevan, and also we'll try to accompany them with live speech, Armenian speech. I'm speaking Eastern Armenian. I will be speaking Eastern Armenian to accompany our broadcasts. Please stay tuned and give your feedback. Do not hesitate to write your comments, your thoughts about how we can improve our live broadcasts to make them more useful for you. This is the trial one, so I hope to get a feedback from you to make this project work. Thank you, and let's see where are we now. You can see this is quite a picturesque place in the Victory Park of Yerevan. Locals call it monument. Monument is Zbosaigi. Zbosaigi, a park. Victory Park, Hachtanaki Zbosaigi. Victory, Hachtanak. The reason why it is called monument is because here you can see in the background the monument of Mother Armenia, Mait Hayastan, Mait Hayastani Husharzan, the statue of Mother Armenia, or the monument of Mother Armenia. This is why this area is called monument by the locals. There is a museum dedicated to the Artsakh war in the space under the statue, under the monument. If you wish, we can organize a visit and show you the museum one day. Also, write in the comments if you would like to visit this museum with us. And I will also repeat, please do not hesitate to share your thoughts on the places you would like to see, on the language, vocabulary you would like to hear, and other thoughts on how we can improve this project and make it more interesting for you. Today we are visiting the Victory Park in Yerevan and trying to show you one of the beautiful places in Yerevan. Այսօր մենք այցելում ենք Հաղթանակի զբոսայգին Երևանում. Հաղթանակ, Victory Park, զբոսայգի. Մենք Հաղթանակի զբոսայգում ենք. We are in the Victory Park today. We are walking in the park. Մենք քայլում ենք զբոսայգում. You can see this is quite a warm winter in Armenia. Ձմեռը Հայաստանում տաք է. Տաք, warm. There are very few people now in the park because it's a working day and it's daytime. The weather is pretty warm. Եղանակը բավականին տաք է. Եղանակ, weather. Warm, տաք. I hope the sound is good and you can hear me well. Please write in the comments if the sound and the picture is okay. I would also like to show you the view to Yerevan from a place which is pretty high, and you can almost see the whole city from there. I will be going now to that place. Let's go there together. I hope you can hear me well and you can see the picture clearly, because I'm walking now. And I'm reminding you that this is a trial broadcast. We will be doing a series of live broadcasts on the topics you would like to hear. We'll try to show you the places and also to give you some vocabulary, give you the chance to hear some modern Armenian, and also to visit the places in Yerevan and in Armenia with us. If this project proves to be useful and efficient, we will expand it and go on with this live broadcast. You see, the place is quite abandoned now. Abandoned. Amai. Zbosaygin. Amai e. The park is abandoned. Այստեղ, there some guys fishing in the lake. Let's go past them. Here are the doggies living in the park. The symbol of the year. You know, it's 2018 is the year of a dog. You see, it's not very sunny in Yerevan, but the sun shows sometimes and it's really beautiful. This is one of the most favorite places, of my most favorite places in Yerevan. Սա իմ սիրելի վայրերից է Երևանում. Սիրելի, favorite, վայր, place. Well, you can see the lake and the bridge there. Դուք տեսնում եք լիճը եւ կամուրջը. Lake, լիճ. Bridge, կամուրջ. Դուք տեսնում եք լիճը եւ կամուրջը. You see the lake and the bridge. And still the statue, which is really, looking over the whole place. The statue of Mother Armenia, Mայր Հայաստան ու Շարձանը. I will be switching off for a couple of moments so that I can reach the place more quickly. Stay tuned, and I will be resuming this live broadcast in a couple of minutes to show you more of the statue and some really, really picturesque view of Yerevan from above. Stay tuned.